ayaw na naman nyo. Saan kayo po? Saan na kami pupunta? Anong klaseng pag-iisip? Saan kami pupunta?
We want human rights as part of the curriculum of
Please,
NSP.
Layo naman, no? Bakit ka nagkaganon? Ano lang nangyari sa utak nyo? Okay, you love your country. Pag inatake tayo ng China dito, sinong palabanin mo dyan sa mga Chinese na yan?
Actually po-
NPA?
Actually po,
You
yung
will call on the
natanong
NPA?
namin,
What does that make of Raul Manuel?
He's a member of the Communist Party of the Philippines, but he is not a member of the New People's Army.
So member siya ng Communist Party of the Philippines. Very
Yeah.
clear.
Ako, I swore under oath na I would tell the truth and that is the truth. Si Raul Manuel ay recruiter din ng NPA. Thank you, sir.
Raul Manuel is a recruiter of the NPA. So ngayon ay kumukulo na yung aking dugo habang tinitingnan ko itong tao na ito. This is a very serious matter.
Yes, sir.
You can just imagine a congressman of the Republic of the Philippines